Next problem, so evaluate the integral of sine x raised to 6 dx from 0 to pi over 2. So, gamitan natin ang calculator technique. So, since trigonometric function siya, so dapat naka-radian mode. Ito ay naka-degree mode. So, shape mode, number 4 radian. So, integral of sine x raised to 6 from 0 to pi over 2. So, equal. So, 0.490. So, option A, so pi over 2, pi over 32, 0.098. So, hanapin natin tong 0.490. So, 2 pi over 17.369. So, 32, 3 pi. So, equal 0.294. So, letter D, 5 pi over 32, 0.490. So, since nag-equal siya dito, yan na yung answer.